Do you know the first sign that you're in danger? When you're not in danger. So grab your soy latte and all your sorry EDC gear, and let's go through the 10 reasons why your EDC gear sucks. Sign number 1, your multi-tool has more functions than a Swiss bank account, but you won't use it for one. Opening beers. You're a bottle broski. Remember, utility first, thirst second. Sign number 2, your flashlight is brighter than my future, but because you only use it for telling ghost stories, it's not there for you when you really need it. Sign number 3, pocket knives are supposed to be handy tools. Yours is so dull, you can't even cut through warm butter. Sign number 4 that your EDC gear sucks. Your paracord bracelet. It unravels faster than a cheap novel you bought at the grocery store. You need something that's going to stand the test of time, not a one-pump jump. Number 5, your EDC doesn't incorporate any first aid gear. Now, I'm not saying that you need to have a hospital bag in your pocket, but you know what? A tourniquet or an IFAK could really come in handy in a pinch. Sign number 6, your EDC gear, it isn't weather resistant. Water, heat, cold, you should be able to withstand it all. Sundown or shouldn't be ruining our day. Sign number 7, you don't have a way to write things down other than the cell phone you have in your pocket. Time to take things analog. Aww. Sign number 8, your wallet is a brick. If you can use it literally as a weapon, it means it's time to slim down. Causes sciatic problems. Sign number 9, got a bunch of cool guy shit, but it's not practical for your everyday life. Hey, remember, you're your biggest judge. Fuck everybody else. And now hold on to your hats. Here's the ultimate proof that you're all bark and no bite. That maybe you got the style but are missing the substance. Your underutilized courage. Or as we might playfully say, your balls. I'm talking about confidence with a capital C, Jeds. All the multi-tools and flashlights and cool guy shit in the world isn't going to help you none if you don't have courage. The true test of a man isn't what's clipped to his belt, but what's inside. It's not about having the courage to jump off a cliff. It's about having the confidence to take the road less traveled, to stay true to yourself in the face of adversity and do what's right. Sure, super cool to have all the fancy gadgets and cool guy stuff, but in the end, what does that mean if you can't foster and wield your inner strength? This is what separates the men from the boys in the EDC game. So, let's put the everyday in your courage carry. Grab life by the... You know what I mean.